Jai Hind. On the occasion of Navy Day 2020, I take this opportunity to reaffirm Indian Navy's steadfast commitment to the service of the nation and towards ensuring our maritime security and territorial integrity. As you are aware, 4th of December each year is celebrated as the Navy Day to commemorate Indian Navy's daring attack on Karachi and our decisive victory in the 1971 Indo-Pak War. It is also an occasion to pay homage to the supreme sacrifices made by our martyrs, as well as express gratitude to our veterans. India's inherent maritime character and geostrategic location in the Indian Ocean define our status as a major maritime nation. As the principal manifestation of India's maritime power, the Indian Navy plays a central role in safeguarding and promoting India's security and national interests in the maritime domain. Our state-of-the-art ships, submarines and aircraft are always ready to go into harm's way to safeguard our nation's maritime interests. This year, amidst the unprecedented challenges posed by COVID-19, the Indian Navy has remained forward deployed and combat ready, protecting and preserving India's interests at sea. Facing a volatile western neighbor and tense northern borders, the Navy's presence, readiness and operational tempo have served as a deterrent, as also fostered an enabling environment for nation building and progress. Navy's assistance, outreach and succor to friendly foreign countries during COVID-19 have reaffirmed that India remains a credible and committed partner, no matter the challenge. In keeping with the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Sagar, that is security and growth for all in the region, the Indian Navy has been at the forefront of cooperative engagements, founded on an open, inclusive, transparent and rules-based approach. The Navy's efforts have served as a bridge for collaborative partnerships in the region with like-minded nations based on a shared vision and mutual trust. The Navy is also contributing to nation building by firmly anchoring its capability enhancement endeavors on indigenization and self-reliance. Our wholehearted support to the Atmanirbharta initiative plows back a significant portion of Navy's budget into the Indian economy. Our comprehensive engagements and partnerships with the shipbuilding industry, manufacturing and services sectors, MSMEs, startups and technology verticals support national prosperity while enhancing the Navy's capabilities. Our most precious assets are our personnel manning and supporting the combat platforms. The men and women in whites have acted with resilience and resolve during the past year. Our operational platforms, in particular, have maintained a formidable forward presence and remained operationally poised to meet all contingencies. On the occasion of Navy Day, on behalf of all uniformed and civilian personnel of the Indian Navy, I would like to reiterate Navy's commitment to safeguarding India's maritime frontiers and interests whilst contributing to nation building. Our assets remain on watch 24/7 to thwart any challenges that India may face in the maritime domain. This year, in deference to COVID-19 protocols, Navy Day 2020 involves virtual events and emphasis on commemorating without congregating. But this in no way takes away the importance, sanctity and vibrancy that is attached to the occasion. Thank you. Jai Hind. Shauna Varna.